Hello and welcome to Norla Group Technical Center. Today we will present you our latest innovation, the Superbolt Load-Sensing Tensioner. The Superbolt LST is available from size M30 up to M100, and it comes with two designs. One with an internal groove and one using an off-the-shelf standard nut body from Superbolt, on which we have applied the electronics around, and therefore we call it the version with external ring. The LST is in fact a Superbolt instrumented, and therefore it can replace any conventional hexagon or round nut and fitting the same space in the application.
The acquisition system of the LST comprises a wireless transmitter which will be connected to the LST and a receiver transforming the signal via an app on a tablet. This can be replaced by a laptop or PC.
Now we are ready to start the demonstration of the LST. For that purpose, we will use a calibrated load cell embedded on this test rig, a stud M48 and a regular hex nut on the opposite side. The LST will be assembled on the front plate, and we will be able to compare live the value of the LST and that displayed by the cell of reference. Stud is in place. Now let's install and tighten the Superbolt LST. It comes like a regular Superbolt with a washer that shall be installed first on the parts, and in the body with the jack bolts. Just flush it down until it touches the washer. Then, just spin backwards by a quarter of turn to release the joint and leave a bit of free space. Now, we will connect the transmitter to the LST. For that, we have an M5 connector that fits the nut body exactly right there. We will connect the wireless transmitter to the base station by simply activating the NordLock app. Now we see a green light, signal is good. For comparative purpose, we will monitor continuously both the value measured by the LST, red on the tablet, and the value measured by the load cell. We will target a preload of 700 kilonewtons with a torque of 130 newton meters. To start, we will achieve only 50% of this value, so 65 newton meters, on 4 jack bolts crosswise. This is only an intermediate value, and of course not all jack bolts have been stabilized, so it's only indicative at the moment. Second step now, we will act again on the same 4 jack bolts crosswise with 100% of the final torque, hence 130 newton meters. And now the third step, which is the final step, which means equalizing all jack bolts in torque, so 100% of torque, 130 newton meters on all jack bolts, and we will stop when the torque wrench clicks with less than 10 degrees of angle. This is apparently the last round, so we'll see where we end up. All right, we were aiming 700 kilonewtons. We're slightly under. This is normal. This is the preload measured by the LST in kilonewtons, and this is the preload measured by the load cell in this test rig, also in kilonewtons. Untightening a Superbolt is very easy. Just go step by step on each jack bolt. First break them loose and then do a bit more turns and more turns until the entire load is released. Well, this is now completed. Quick and easy, very safe. Thank you for watching.